Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is carbon and its compound. So unit test paper number 3. So let us move for the first main and the first question. In the previous video we have answered for unit test paper number 2. Now let us move for unit test paper number 3. The functional group present in propanol, it is ends with OL and this ends with AL. OL ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲು, AL ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ OH, ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ CHO. Among these four options, the right option is option A. That is option A, bond OH for alcohol and bond CHO for aldehyde. Now let us move for second question. The electronic configuration element X 2, 8, 8, 1 and the electronic configuration of element Y 2, 8, 7, then this type of bond formed between these two elements is covalent bond, hydrogen bond, metallic bond and ionic bond. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 7 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 1 ಈ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 7 ಇದೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೆಟಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 1, 2, 3 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ಲು, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಲು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ನಿಂದ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. So for the second question, the right option is option D, that is ionic bond. The bond formed due to transfer of electrons from metals to non-metals. Now let us move for question number 3. Name the first member of alkanes that shows structural isomerism. So alkane in a first member ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಐಸೋಮೆರಿಸಮ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್. Butane has two isomers. One is normal butane, another one is isobutane. Next, write the general formula of alkyne. So alkyne general formula, it ends with YNE. Therefore, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Now let us move for fifth main, question number 5. Write the formation of oxygen molecule. So let us write how oxygen molecule is formed. We know that atomic number of oxygen is 8. So the electrons can be distributed as 2, 6. So here this shell is completely filled. Idu complete ಆಗಿ fill ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ still 2 electron. Therefore oxygen atom share its 2 electrons with other oxygen atom. So oxygen always written as O2. So oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This oxygen will share 2 electrons with this atom and this oxygen will share 2 electrons. So like this we have to write O double bond O. Since 4 electrons are there, 2 pairs. For one pair we have to write 1 bond and for the next pair we have to write second double bond. So O double bond O. Now let us move for question number 6. In the question number 6 they have given write the structural formula for butanon and ethanoic acid. So let us write the structural formula for butanon. ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ON ಇಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಕೀಟೋನೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಬ್ಯೂಟ್ 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1, 2, 3, 4. ಸೊ ONE ಅಂದರೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು. ಕೀಟೋನ್ದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಬಾಂಡ್ CO. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನ ನಡುವೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬಾಂಡ್ CO ಬರೀಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ O. ಸೊ C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಟೆಟ್ರಾವೇಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1, 2, 3, 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೆಟ್ರಾವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಇಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this we have to write the structure for butanol. Now let us write for ethanoic acid. So eth means ethanoic acid, oic acid. Eth means we have to write 2 carbon. So oic acid means its functional group is bond COOH, single C, double bond O, single bond OH, then single bond. So ಇದು ಟೆಟ್ರಾವೇಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the structural formula for ethanoic acid. So like this we have to write the structural formula for butanol and ethanoic acid. So now let us move for question number 7. In the question number 7 they have given, how will ethanol be oxidized? Why are detergents more suitable for cleansing clothes in hard water? So let us answer both the question. So how will ethanol be oxidized? So let us move for 7th question. Ethanol can be oxidized into ethanoic acid by ethanol can be oxidized into ethanoic acid by using oxidizing agent like by heating ethanol in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. So for that one, let us write the equation. Alcohol CH3CH2OH. So it is heated in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate or potassium acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. When it is heated, it is converted into ethanoic acid CH3COOH plus H2. Hydrogen is liberated. So since hydrogen is removed and one oxygen is added here, it is called oxidizing agent. So converting ethanol into ethanoic acid is oxidation reaction. So in that one only B question is there. Why are detergents more suitable for cleaning in hard water? Because detergent will not form scum with calcium or magnesium ions present in hard water. It will not form any scum with either calcium or magnesium ions present in hard water. Therefore, we can use detergent even in hard water also. Now let us move for question number 8. What are homologous series? Give example. So what are homologous series? A series of organic compound having a difference of CH2 between CH2 between successive members, or a difference of 14 units. So if I take an example of a series of organic compound of saturated hydrocarbon, that is alkane, methane, then ethane, then propane, then butane. So the successive member of methane is ethane. The difference between methane and ethane is bond CH2. The successive member of ethane is propane. The difference between them is bond CH2. The successive member of propane is butane. The difference between the successive member is CH2. Therefore, it is called homologous series. Now let us differentiate between esterification and saponification. So let us write the difference between esterification and saponification. So esterification, the reaction between ethanol and ethanoic acid to form the reaction between ethanol and ethanoic acid to form ester is called esterification. The reaction in which formation of soap. The reaction in which formation of soap is called as saponification. Then the second one is acid is used as a catalyst, and here base is used as a catalyst. Base used as a catalyst. Then the third difference is the products are ester and water. The products are soap and ethanol. So these are the differences between esterification and saponification. Now let us move for the next question, that is question number 9. What is addition reaction? Give example. What is combustion reaction? Give example. So let us answer both of them. So first question, A. So what is addition reaction? A reaction in which hydrogen is added to unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrogen is added to unsaturated hydrocarbon in presence of nickel or palladium as a catalyst. Nickel or palladium as a catalyst to convert into saturated hydrocarbon. Example ethene, which is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. When hydrogen is passed through ethene in presence of nickel or palladium as a catalyst, so unsaturated ethene is converted into saturated ethane. So converting ethene into ethane is an example for addition reaction. C2, H4 plus H2 become H6. That C2H6 is ethane. Converting ethene into ethane is an example for addition reaction. Now, in that one, second question is there B. So, what is meant by what we call it as combustion and example for combustion? So, what is combustion reaction? A reaction in which carbon and its compound when burnt in oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water, and releases energy in the form of heat and light. So this is called as combustion. Example for combustion: when burnt in air, it forms carbon dioxide. Along with the carbon dioxide, it releases energy in the form of heat and light. So now let us move for the last question of this paper. That is a 10th question. Explain the cleansing action of soap. So let us explain how the soap will work. So a cleansing of soap anta bandaga, so we have to follow. So this is the last question. So step number 1. Step number 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ so soap molecule. So soap molecule structure. We have to explain the structure of soap molecule. So ಒಂದು soap molecule ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is called as tail part, and this tail part is long chain. It is made up of long chain carboxylic part. It is a long chain carboxylic part, and this is the head part, and this is head, and this is hydrocarbon part. This is hydrocarbon part, and here tail is hydrophobic. It is fear of water, and head is hydrophilic. That is love towards water. So ishtana now we have to explain regarding the structure of soap molecule. Then step number 2, that is in the step number 2, formation of micelle. So formation of micelle, when we rub a clothes with soap around the dirt, the soap molecules around the dirt, the soap molecules are arranged in the form of cluster called micelle. So this is the dirt part. This is the dirt which is present in the clothes. When we rub the clothes with soap, so the soap molecules will get arranged around the dirt in the form of a cluster or a group. This group of soap molecule is called as a group of soap molecule. Now we have to call by the name as, that is micelle. Then the step number 3, when we rinse When we rinse the clothes with water, when we rinse the clothes with water, water pulls head, head pulls tail, tail pulls dirt. By this, dirt is removed, dirt is removed from the clothes. So this is about the cleansing action of soap. So by this we have answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 3. In the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 4. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much. So thanks for everyone who is supporting my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much.